Hey, are you struggling to speak English fluently even though you understand it? You're not alone, but these 3 secret tricks will change the game for you. Welcome to a brand new episode. I'm your host, Emily, and you're listening to Fluent Talks, your daily dose of English tips, tricks, and confidence boosters. Today kicks off our brand new 10-part series, How to Improve English Fluency. In each episode, I'll be sharing 3 powerful, practical tips to help you speak smoother, faster, and more naturally in English. If you're ready to unlock your full fluency potential, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Use sentence starters to buy time and sound smooth. Have you ever noticed how native speakers don't jump straight to the answer? They use natural phrases at the beginning of their responses. These are called sentence starters. And they're a powerful way to sound confident, while giving yourself a few extra seconds to think. Try phrases like, well, I guess it depends. To be honest, I'm not sure. Let me think about that. Actually, that's a great question. These small expressions make your English flow better, and they help avoid awkward silence. Let's try it right now. I'll start. Well, I think the most important thing is your turn. Fill in the rest. Tip number 2. Talk to yourself. Yes, out loud. It might feel silly at first, but trust me, it works. The more you speak English, the faster your brain learns to think in English. And who better to practice with than you? Narrate what you're doing during your day. For example, okay, I'm making tea. Where did I put my phone? This shirt looks good today. It keeps your brain in English mode, which helps you speak more fluently without even realizing it. Start with just 5 minutes a day. It adds up quickly. Tip number 3. Use the shadowing technique. This is a favorite trick of language learners all over the world. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say at the same time. Mimic their voice, rhythm, and emotion, like you're an actor learning a role. Try it with a short YouTube video, podcast, or even a scene from your favorite movie. The goal? Don't just copy the words, copy the music of the sentence. Like instead of saying, I did not know that, say, I didn't know that. Feel the difference? Do this regularly, and your speaking will sound more natural, fast. Wrap up. All right, Fluent Talkers. Let's recap today's secret tips. 1. Use sentence starters to keep the conversation flowing. 2. Talk to yourself in English every day. 3. Shadow native speakers to master real fluency. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments or send us a message. We love hearing from you. And remember, this is just day 1 of our 10-part journey to fluency. Hit that follow or subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. It's packed with 3 new tips that'll take your English even further. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and stay fluent. This is Emily from Fluent Talks signing off. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye, Fluent Talkers.